Alright guys, welcome to Hardscaping with Gats.
Push it back into the woods.
You much gotta go like this, here. Hey guys, what's up? Yesterday was when I washed my truck and we went to go do that leak cleanup. Today we're gonna go prep for tomorrow's job. We're gonna go do the brush removal. Just gotta start my truck up. Go. And we're gonna hook up that trailer in the back because we're gonna go pick up the BOBCAT, you know, get it ready for tomorrow. That way we can get an early start on the job. Just gotta let the truck warm up a bit. But this is my trailer. I purchased it this spring. It's a 7x14 PJ trailer, #1 trailer in the world. Here we go. So yeah, gonna get this hooked up. The BOBCAT's at my brother's house, so I'll show you guys when we get there. Okay guys, so here's my setup. Picked up the BOBCAT. Now tomorrow all we gotta do is go pick up the brush hog attachment. I'm hoping we're able to do it tomorrow, depending on the weather, but we'll see. Okay guys, so we're here at this property with the brush hog. So we ran into a little situation where nobody in town had a brush attachment for the BOBCAT MT100. So we had to improvise, and we went ahead and rented the small brush. I think it's a weed brusher or something. But there it is. We're gonna make it work. We did bring our BOBCAT. This is pretty much the property. See, we got about, I mean, it's not that bad. Pretty much up to these trees right here is where we're gonna be cleaning up to. See, it's not really that thick, but there's just like little piles of dirt, you know, trees, like branches that falling down. We just want to play, we wanted to play safe and rent the attachment, but nobody in town seems to have it, so we have to improvise for now. And so here's the property. This is what we're going to be using. Yeah, let's get started, guys.
Drama. Yeah, I've been running and running to keep it 100. It's all that I wanted, but lately I don't get the stomach. The higher the summit, the harder the plummet. They know me all over this planet. I'm just a man and I can't understand it. Proud that I win and I did it myself. Probably wouldn't if I got the help. Hearing subliminals all on myself. Feel like I'm breaking, I'm falling to hell. Told me I'm sick and I tell her, oh well. Rather be dead than to know that I failed. Live for the chase, life is a race. I'm out of space, I'ma get on my face. I got a taste, well the whole plate. Finna get laced if you step out of place. Like, first off, you don't run nothing. All talk and your team bluff it. My squad, we all dream crushing. We ain't rushing, no discussion. All I know is us made for this. Paid for this, yeah, slave for this. Been down and I'ma get it right. Get on sight like. Down and I'ma get it right. Dead on sight like. Been down and I'ma get it right. Dead on sight like. Never really know when you're gonna go. Why you gotta put her on the foot in front of yours? River them toes, carry them close. I was never one to care about my mentos. I was like froze, now I'm off raw. Give me that smoke, but I can't get high. We do the most, here to inspire. Don't wanna
Okay guys, so we're all wrapped up with today's project, and as you guys can remember, we ran into a little setback this morning with finding the proper attachment for the Bobcat. Apparently nobody in my area has gotten a hold with the attachment. Nobody in my area owns to rent an attachment, and so we had to improvise. What we did is we rented walk behind brush hogger. It's mainly for grass use it for, you know, small brush, dead brush, and that's exactly what we did today. And so here, let me show you guys the results. Of course, this homeowner does want grass at the back, seed, everything, you know, but that's not included in the estimate, therefore we cannot take that step. So I am gonna propose that if they're interested, we can you know, do that in the future. And so it does need a more grade. I mean, that's pretty much it. It needs grade. It needs graded. I'm thinking with tiller, you know, come through, level everything off, till it, and then of course seed it in straw. But there it goes, man. There it goes. It was a tough one, but you know, it took us about, I want to say 4 hours with the walk behind brush hogger and our mt100 Bobcat. So there it is, guys. There it goes. You just walk around a bit. The client does want this area to be grassed, so his children are able to have a nice full backyard, you know. I wanted to take advantage of this whole lot, so we're gonna make it happen. And hopefully in the future we're contracted to come do the seeding and tilling whatever's left. But there she goes. Let me just give you guys another angle. Of course, this is trash. I was speaking to the client. This is not in the estimate. It's not included. I did not include any trash. So if he wants that hauled out, then of course we work out a price for that. And then there you go. It's kind of already sloped. It already has it sloped, but there is some high areas somewhere in there, a little bit over there, and pretty much like this whole line right here. I mean, if we're able to bring this down and bring the dirt over there, I think it'll be less swampy over there. But there she goes, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.